celebration, pero Pride is always a protest.
Paano hindi na naman ako yung lumalaban ngayong araw? Kung hindi yung mga tao din na nasa likod natin, ng mga part ng LGBT community.
Hindi namin ramdam yung kailangan namin itago yung sarili namin.
Just be yourself. That's yourself in your inner self.
Malayo na, pero malayo pa.
Love laban to everyone! Tara, tsikahin natin ang ating mga ka-HC.
Sarili ko, jowa ko, at lahat ng tao, lahat ng kabadingan.
Yung kids, I want them to have more freedom than what we have experienced before. Every year, it gets bigger and bigger. I see more people coming in. We have a lot of things that we have won, pero malayo na, pero malayo pa.
I love the laughter and the fun of being with all the members of the Pride. I think Pride at Home Pride, it means respect to each and everyone.
It's representation of everyone, how diverse we are as a company.
Hindi namin ramdam yung kailangan namin itago yung sarili namin.
Yes.
And itodo namin yung work.
So ayan, una sa lahat, Happy Pride Month. So enjoy nyo lang. At atin to, ipaglaban natin ang ating karapatan.
And to all the Pride members, I hope you enjoy today at the Pride March. And just be yourself. That's yourself in your inner self.
Please don't forget, Pride is a celebration, yes, pero Pride is always a protest. It is for our human rights. We are here not just to celebrate.
Love laban.
Love laban.
Love laban.
Love laban! Woo!
Ayan, there you have it, ka-HC! Ikaw, ano pinaglalaban mo? Share mo na sa amin yan sa comment section. And don't forget to follow Home Credit's official social media pages para lagi kang up to date. Happy Pride! Love laban, everyone!